Okay, hello, hello, hello. Welcome back. I hope you are here to have fun with me today, my friends. Let me just set a couple things up here so that this live feed is being seen by everybody because that's what we want. And I want to make sure that you guys all get exactly what we're going to do here. Now, mind you, today is going to be a deep dive on how to make an AI influencer. So there we go. Set that to public. Perfect. Okay. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hope you're having a good day. Today, I'm going to use AI to make an AI influencer. Now, there are many, many, many different ways that you can go about this, but I have my own, I guess, workflow that you can use that's super easy, and anybody can do this. So, the first thing you need to know is that there are a lot of places that you can go to create an AI influencer. But in my opinion, if you're looking to create an AI influencer and you don't have a lot of money, then I'm going to direct you to this website. It's called sexy.ai. And I know it sounds a little crazy, but we're going to go ahead and show it to you. Let me see if I can do this, and I'll share my entire screen. Perfection. Okay, so over here, we want to show you what is called, let's just open a new tab, sexy.ai. Literally is what the website is. It's called sexy.ai generate. I do not want to go to this website because it is a what they call an NSFW style website, which means that you will be seeing some naked pictures. Now, mind you, everything that's on this site is completely not real. These are all just made up characters. So, for instance, this character right here is Lorena Bear. I made her some time ago. And the way that I can make more photos of the same girl is I just copy the settings. And what I did was I went through and made as many of these as I could until I found the character that I wanted. Once I found that character and I had this look, this woman's look, I could then just reprint as many images as I want of this person. So, for instance, let's say we wanted to use this version, this face. I can copy the settings, or I can just use these settings. So use these settings. So this is the same. The same, like, sorry, the same settings that were there. It also has the same seed. And that seed is very important because this number right here will constantly give you the same character. So that's part of one thing. Then the other thing about Sexy AI is that you can make as many images as you want all day long. And you don't need somebody else. You don't need all these other things to create this character. In my personal opinion, Cyber Realistic is the best. I could say I want this girl, let's say, driving a Porsche on the highway. Let's see if it pops something up like that. And we'll just see what comes up. We'll just generate. Boom. Please change one settings, which we did. And here we go. Now it's going to give us this new image right over here. Boom. So now we have that same girl. I don't know what happened to her legs here. As you can see, it looks like she's got two legs and a thigh. Some weird thing happened here. Not a problem. All we have to do is just change one thing on this prompt. So we just kill that right there and then generate again. And we'll hopefully get a better image. Boom, that's a much better image right there. Now, what we could say is we want the Porsche car to be black instead of pink. And let's see what happens there. And here we go. And boom. It's going to give us the photo, hopefully. Boom, there we go. Well, it didn't actually change it, but it did give us a black interior. But that's okay. Once again, we're the thing that's beautiful here is that we're keeping the same face. We're keeping that same face, and that's really what we want to do. That's the most important part of this whole entire thing. Once you generate using sexy.ai, mind you, it's completely free. You can go into sexy.ai and pay. And it also has the ability to make videos. Their pricing really isn't that expensive. So like $18.99. And with all of that, you can make videos. You can make any kind of content that you want, literally about almost any subject that you want. From really, really intense, crazy, I don't want to show you that, but really intense, crazy videos that you can make. I know it's really crazy, folks, where we are. But the question is, once you've done that, once you've built the model, what do you do? And that's another one that's really quite easy. I'm going to open up again. I'll add this back in, and I'll show you what I did. I created a character. Her name is Lorena Bear, and I can show you all my links. /Lorena Bear. This is also another great website that you should be using if you have any kind of social media and you want all of your social medias in one place. This is a great place to do that. It also tells you how many people have come to visit your profile. And then in here are all the different things that I have given Lorena, right? All of these different social medias. Now, there was this awesome website, which is called wow, it didn't pop up. That's craziness. So there's a free live chat that I had set up. I'm going to have to find it again. And in this free chat, you can create the character and then you can actually text with that character. So anybody who's really, truly interested in Lorena can actually go and talk to her. And then I also had her selling some products, which she's not selling anymore. And then I gave her an Instagram. And of course, like any other, you would create an Instagram, you put up the post, you start promoting it, and you can start promoting the character. And that's what she did. So as you see here, this is where she was selling her handcrafted soaps. And I had her holding the soap and selling this soap, what you could buy. And it was all organic and this, that, and the other. So the point here is that Lorena is more and more like a real person. And the more that you promote this character, the more that you sit there and share this character, you can get people to be interested in having that person sponsor or even talk about their product. There is a model right now out of Spain, the marketing company, and her name is Atia, and she makes almost $20,000 or $40,000 a month doing ads. She's making much, much more now. But there are some social media influencers that are completely artificial intelligence based that are now making tons of money. They're doing massive ads. And then there's the whole other side of the world where you could create an OnlyFans page. Now, there's a lot of weird things there. OnlyFans doesn't like to allow AI images yet. There are a ton of people that are on OnlyFans with AI images. Now, if you don't want to get in trouble and you want to do it differently, there's another website that's called Fansly. Nonetheless, any which way you go, you're always going to need somebody, a woman who signs up for you, and that you then use the content that you created as that person. So that would be the only way to do it. There's other people who are they teach you this course on how to do it. And what they'll do is they'll teach you that they have a bunch of models under in their repertoire, and you pay that model a bunch of money to send you content, and then you create a face, and then you put that face onto the content of the model that you got, and then you upload that to TikTok, or sorry, to OnlyFans. Now, the next thing that you would do after that is you're going to go on Twitter and you're going to start messaging anybody and everybody who has an interest in cute girls. And you're going to go find other cute girls, and you're going to find people that are messaging those cute girls, and you're going to go message those cute girls. And then you start a call it a workflow that gets the person interested in you, gets the person interested in signing up, gets the person interested in buying content from you that is your own created content for them. And that becomes very lucrative very quickly because you can charge $50, $100, $80 for content that you were going to make specifically for a person. And if you're making AI content and you're using the AI Sexy.ai to make it, you're only paying $20 a month and you can make videos and you can make whatever you want of any subject you want, literally anything. Then there's nothing that stops you from making money. Like if you really wanted to go that direction, that's one way to do it. So again, today was just to kind of show you a new cool thing that's out there that you can use to create your own AI influencer. And by doing that, you can then take that AI influencer and you can even help her make music, for instance. And I'll show this to you. This is great. This is called Udio. And Udio is a place where you can actually write your own music. I'll do a deep dive on this all by itself, but this whole thing, this website, will literally allow you to make an entire song just from a text prompt. So you literally describe the song, what it's about, and if you want, you can even write your own lyrics. And you can add your own lyrics to this. So you can do custom lyrics. Here's what the song is about. Here's the lyrics. And you put in your lyrics and it will write out a 2-minute song for you. Now, when I first started using this app, it would only give you about 30 seconds per. And you would have to tap 30 seconds plus another 30 seconds and then kind of make the song fit for itself. Not anymore. At this point, you can do a 4-minute song in about 5 to 10 minutes. So it's really quite amazing. Now, what I want to show you about this is I want to go back to Lorena and show you how here Lorena has her own music. So like you can create a whole character. This girl has her own music. She is talking about all the things that she loves. She has music videos, folks. Music videos, full on music videos of her. So you can literally make whatever you want. You can make whatever you want, folks. There's nothing that should be stopping you from creating. That's the biggest thing that you need to know here. That as soon as you have an idea in your mind, it's not like it used to be where you would have to find a designer and you would have to find an animator and you would have to. None of that exists anymore, folks. All of the things that you want to learn or do are literally at your fingertips. And all you have to do is just start to move towards that thing. As soon as you do, you're going to find a whole bunch of places that you can go and learn and grow with AI. If by any chance you want to learn more and you want to find out more about artificial intelligence and what it can do for you or how you could use it in your business or in your life, please contact me. I'd be more than happy to share it with you. Thank you for joining me today and thank you for watching. I hope this helped you learn how to make an AI influencer. Peace.